Jack Harrison, a local bike mechanic, owns a bicycle shop located in West Palm Beach. However, it is much more than just a bike shop.
You wouldn't believe the condition of some of the bikes that we get.
We've had bikes that were 40 years old that were never used, and we've had bikes that were used until there was no tire left when it came in.
Jack and his team run multiple programs that go above and beyond to benefit the community, and all of them are for all the right reasons.
The Christmas event is great because it's just a madhouse in here, and you have a lot of kids just running around and a lot of volunteers running around and people just getting bikes.
And the faces on these kids, when you give them their bikes, they're so happy. It's unbelievable, and it's a wonderful experience. The kids need me, and I need them.
But how this was all created stems from Jack's past. After battling alcoholism, the neighborhood bike man faced a dark time in his life.
I didn't know what I wanted to be when I grew up. I was trying to figure out what to do with the rest of my life. And I was sitting on my front porch one day, contemplating suicide. But I didn't want to hurt my family.
However, what gave him a will to live is the same reason he is continuing to strive today.
And meanwhile, this young fellow fell off of his bike right in front of my house. And I went out there and I fixed his brakes and I said, "Get out of here, you brat." And he did. And I never saw him again. I don't know who he was. That was the best thing in the world that could have happened to me.
Because of these dark times, Jack hasn't just created a nonprofit focused on bicycles, but he also inspired the employees that work there as well.
Just giving back to the same kids that, I used to be one of those kids, so being able to do the same thing that I wish somebody would have done for me back in the day, made me feel a lot better about myself,
A lot of the people that we do serve don't have a lot, and makes you more grateful for the things that you do have.
Every year, Jack the Bike Man gives back to the community and thousands of families with bikes just like these. For WSRH Extra, I'm Bryce Brandt.